Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're gonna do something different. It's gonna be a get ready with me, and I really love makeup as well, and I wanted to share that too on my channel. And this is just a get ready with me. I really don't know which look I'm going for, so I just have makeup everywhere and we're just gonna go along. And I already washed my face and moisturized. I kind of moisturize much, but it's okay, it's kind of good. But the first thing I do, it's a little bit different, is I do my concealer first. But if I do a heavy eye look, I will do that first. Different techniques, like sometimes I do concealer with my foundation, but I kind of just like doing it how I want to, because sometimes when I looked at other tutorials I was like, why is it ending up so wrong or so bad? But it's what kind of suits your face, so I suggest you do that. What works better for you, do it. And I have my tiny, it's dirty, but it's my favorite Sonia Cassio sponges. They were a 5-in-1 and I love them, especially this little one because it's good for concealer. So when I have the concealer on, I kind of let it dry for a little bit. Sometimes when you just put your concealer, it's gonna swipe it away, so kind of let it sit for a little bit. I'm putting some on my nose because it is kind of like red from, I think, washing my face, because my face is so sensitive. So I think we're done. Next, I'm going in with this Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and it's like a darker shade, but my skin has been in the medium kind of range. This is a brush I normally use. It's from, you can see it's so dirty. It's from Elf. I think I'm gonna go in with this brush today. It's from Best Hope. I think that's how you pronounce it. Next, I'm gonna take a sponge and just make sure there's no streaks from the foundation brush. I already did my eyebrows, but because they take so long. So if you want to know what I use for my eyebrows, it's called this eyebrow kit. It has different colors. I've been using this little black one, but they work really good, and I've had this for a while. So I love using brow powders because I feel like they stick. Next, we are gonna go for eyes. I'm gonna use this Laura Ashley palette, one of my favorites, and I love how the design looks too. It's very vintage and floral, and look at the pretty colors in here, like they're so pretty. And I'm gonna go in maybe with this peach shade. I might use this brown too. See how it looks, and I might go in with this deep kind of purpley brown, just so lightly in the creases. Okay, with that color and blending it out. This contour palette, it's pretty beat up. It's from Wet n Wild, one of my favorites that I love to use. It comes with this banana shade and this bronzer shade. I'm using that to kind of set the face. On this side. Look up. Beautiful. Angled brushes, especially for bronzer. One of my favorites. Just blending it, making sure there's no harsh lines. Another trick is what I do is I get a lighter powder shade or a darker powder shade, and I use that to kind of make everything not so patchy and so like a streak, because sometimes when you put bronzers or blush, it makes it look like a streak or very like a harsh line. So I use that to blend, and this is just a darker powder shade, and I figured it was too dark, so I was like, let me use it for bronzer. And I used it for bronzer, and it made everything kind of like just glowy and a little bit more kind of airbrushed. I go back to the Anastasia blush. Look how pretty it is and shimmery. I know it has shimmer, but sometimes I like using blushes with shimmer, and sometimes I just like using matte blushes. Depends what kind of look I am doing. I'm using this brush. I'm not sure where I got this from. I think this is from online. And I'm gonna put in the apples on my cheeks. And it's like a glow and blush at once. I'm gonna go in with this highlight. It is from Wander Beauty Wilderness Dusk to Dawn, and they have these three pretty shades, and this is one of my favorite shade. It is called City Lights. Very pretty color, and pretty much all of them, like I never had a palette where I like all of the colors, but this is one of my favorites that I just like. These both three colors. Go with this unicorn brush. Let's get the highlight. Look how pretty it is. Look how glowy it is. Like perfect for like just that glowy summer look. Something I didn't know that I used to like hate highlighter, but now I grew to love it. I could go like hand with this. So cute. Adding different colors. I'm gonna use this YSL lipstick. It's this pretty pink color, and I'm always using just like browns and pinks, so I wanted to use this pink for today. And it says 0762J905. So let's see how it works. This is like so pink. It's pretty though, but I think I'm gonna go layer it with this Huda Beauty liquid matte. Love her lipsticks and how the colors look. I want to try these lashes from Kiss, and I haven't tried them yet, but I wanted to show it in today's video. And it says Evereyes lashes, so we'll see. Pretty natural lashes, you can see the difference, so but they're really pretty. See how pretty natural looking lashes look. Guys, another cool thing I'd like to tell you is that I really wasn't into lashes before, and I even didn't know how to apply them until like maybe like 2 years ago, kind of when I was filming my eyeliner lashes. I think that was last year or a year and something months ago, but that's when I kind of got into lashes. So if you don't want to apply them, just keep on trying, because the more I kept on trying, I got the hang of it and I started to know how to apply them. I had to use tweezers. I was even frustrated about over applying them and applying them so much, so I was like, I gave up. But work with the lashes, it ends up working later. I love this Too Faced Size Queen mascara. So I use this Estee Lauder, what does it say, Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara, one of my favorites. And I've tried a lot of eyelashes. I tried a lot of mascaras, like a lot. So many names, so many brand names that you could think of. I've tried them and they haven't worked for me. They just give me like I know I have mascara on, but they don't give me that volume. Look like Too Faced and Estee Lauder mascara. Mascara to the bottom, but today I am. And another cool thing I love to do is, I know there's brow mascara for your brows, but I just use my mascara and I just apply it so lightly. You don't really want to go heavy-handed. And look at it, does the same thing. You just go lightly. And I love doing this. It does the same thing. And just use my mascara. The cool thing is, my mom said she used to do this before, and she used to use her mascara to put on her brows, and now it became a thing. Light brown shade. And just apply it in the bottom, just because I feel like it looks a little like bigger. So that is it for today's makeup look. I loved it so much that doing this kind of look, especially the lip color, and there's gonna be plenty of more videos coming soon, so keep eye on that. And God loves you, and I'll see you on next time. Bye bye.